For the start of a great 2018, I will give away 45,000 euro of value. That is just crazy. From 15th to the 17th of February 2018, I will give a 3-day workshop in Warsaw. And you can attend this for free. The title of the workshop is the Leverage Life Workshop. This workshop will help you to design and build a business that supports your life. You will discover how to stop to be a slave to your business and live a great life. The life you always wanted. Is this not what you want? To have a business that supports your life, enjoy the freedom you want, spend more time with friends and family, enjoy your hobbies, explore the world. What do you really want in life? What do you really want in life? The question is, do you experience the freedom you really want? Your income doesn't mainly depend on the hours you work. No work, no income. You want to grow your business, you want to help more people, earn more money, but you don't want to work more hours anymore. You have the feeling you have to do everything. You have the feeling you're not in control of your life. You have the feeling you're a slave to your business. It feels like you're stuck in your business. It feels like you are really the slave to your business. In the Leveraged Life Workshop, I will share with you my system. The system I used and developed over the last 5 years and which I use on a daily basis in my business and my life. And this system I already shared with other entrepreneurs who wanted to grow their business, who want to have a business that really supports their life. In the last few weeks, I did even do a new test workshop to improve the system, to improve the method. What did I get back as feedback? Mainly, most important thing everybody said was increased awareness of an entrepreneurial business, financial mindset, knowledge. How to apply different business models in existing businesses and how to use them to start a new business idea. How to design a customer journey and make sure you can give your clients the best experience. How to move from a self-employed mindset to a real entrepreneurial mindset. How to plan your private life before your business. How to leverage your time, grow the business, increase your revenue without working more hours. How to create and keep customers and build a network. How to create business assets and marketing assets that do not depend on your time. How to systemize your business so it's easier to outsource and to monetize. How to set up multiple streams of income. The importance how to create more value for your customers, but it also means how to earn more. The importance of thinking in who instead of how.
My name is Wanda Novak. I have developed to become a meditation coach. And there's an interesting story about this because when I started out with Peter, that was not quite what I was doing. And the development work has made me ask some serious questions on what I'm contributing to the society, what I enjoy doing, what I despise doing, questions that I didn't ask myself beforehand. And voila. Now I have evolved in being a meditation coach and I feel alive and passionate about what I do. My very biggest insight of the workshop is to force me to ask the question of who and not how things will happen for me in my business. It's opened the door to limiting beliefs that I've realized that I've been practicing this pattern all my life in my household and even previous businesses that I've been in, being like a control freak, thinking everybody cannot do it exactly as good as I do, which is an absolute false belief and the very thing that will trip me up from reaching success. So that was an eye-opener for me.
What will this workshop be? Well, for sure, it's not a marketing course. And it's also not a goal-setting course, because what most people need is not the next marketing course or Facebook ad or whatever trick you can find on the internet. That's not what you actually need. But what do you need? Well, you actually need to take time. Take time to think about what do you really want in your life? What do you really want in your business? And we're gonna set in the workshop a new destination where you want to be. So yes, we will set some goals. Now, this workshop is not about how to set up passive income by creating a membership site or anything else, quick rich. No, this is not what this workshop is about. So what will we do in this workshop? Well, we will look at ways how to leverage your time. So your income doesn't depend anymore on your active working time. So what we're actually gonna do is create a plan how to set up business assets that depend less on your working time. I must warn you, this is a real workshop. So we will do some hard work, mainly thinking work. So if you don't like doing hard work, this workshop is not for you. This workshop is for you if you are willing to take 3 days out of your time, sit down, do the work. You will be sitting down in this room with 15 other like-minded entrepreneurs who really want to work on their business. They understand it's way more important to work on the business instead always in the business. If you also have this mindset, then this workshop is for you. This workshop is also for you if you want to get some new business ideas, how to organize your business and how to approach your clients on a different way. So for who is this workshop? Well, you are a business owner. You're looking for a way to grow your business, but you're not sure how to do it without working more hours. You want to reclaim your life back from your business. You actually now want to create a business that will support your life. You want to experience the freedom you really want. And I do have one important question for you is, are you willing to do the work? The work most people don't want to do. So I will give this workshop for one time only for free. The value of the workshop is 3,000 euros, but once again you can join for free. Of course you will ask, what's the catch? Well, the only thing I really ask to you is you contribute into the cost of the workshop, meaning the food and the drinks during the workshops themselves. We do this in a very nice 5-star hotel. And the other thing I ask to you is to give a video testimonial at the end of the workshop. The reason you can join this workshop for free is because I want to record this workshop. There is room for 15 people in the room, and the people that can for my test workshop will join. So we will have less than 10 spots available now. So if you want to join this workshop, please take action. I will tell you in a second how. You say, yes, I want to grow my business in 2018. I want to help more people. I want to earn more money. I want more freedom in my business, but I want to achieve this without working more hours. If you say, I need to keep battling, to keep all the balls in the air to get my business up and running, and the only way you generate income today is by doing you are doing the work, but you want to change this, then this workshop is for you. If you say, I want back my freedom in my life, I don't want to be any longer a slave to my business, this workshop is for you. What are the steps, the actions you will need to take to join me and the 14 other like-minded entrepreneurs who are willing to do the work and take the time to do the work? Step 1, use the link below or above to go to a question form and answer the questions you find there. Step 2, create an appointment with me so we can talk and see this workshop is really something you need and I can help you. Now some people will say, hey Peter, nice offer, but I don't have the time. Well, that's a typical answer from a person who has no time. But they need to understand you cannot solve the problem of time by not investing the time to solve the problem. You can only solve the problem of time by sitting down, taking the time and create a plan and a strategy to solve it. Some people would say, it's short notice. Well, I would say, I have done crazier things to get to a workshop I really want to attend in a few days' time. So if you really want to solve a problem, you really want to be in this workshop, you want to grow your business, solve the problems with freedom, you don't want to be a slave anymore to your business, well, just do whatever it takes to get in this workshop. Because I like to work with people who are action takers, people who see an opportunity and take the opportunity. Like, boom, that's what I needed, I go. And you know, there will be people in the room, the 15th to the 17th, who canceled their skiing trip just to be in the workshop. And I would say that's what I call commitment. Some will say, although your workshop is for free, I don't have the money to come to Warsaw. Well, Warsaw, the cost of living is very cheap compared to, let's say, Central Europe. So you don't need to spend €1,000 to get into the room. And it's just like the problem time. You cannot solve the problem money without investing money. Sure, there will be people who come up with multiple reasons why it's not possible for them. Great, no problem, but I like to work with action takers. So if you have a good reason to be in the room, just take the action. So step number 1, use the link below above to go to the questionnaire, answer the questions. Step 2, let's talk. Book an appointment in my agenda, and then we'll see how I can help you and if this workshop is really something for you. And I can't wait to talk with you.
If I can put myself in a year from now, looking back, having followed everything that I've learned from Peter's system, I know I would have saved myself thousands of dollars, pounds, whatever it is that I will be working in, because my job allows me to be location free. And mostly I would also have saved a lot of hours wasted doing the wrong thing. So I could truly say that it's hard to put a price to saving money and time in the long run, and I'm very grateful for this. From this workshop, I could truly advise other entrepreneurs, startups, to sit down and do a 3-year plan. We all know we should do it. We all have read up on how you should do it. But the point is, do you put the time out to do this? Whereas this course forces you to do this, but in a systematic way, and Peter gives great support and guidance during this. Little things that you wouldn't have thought about, he points out. So it's really a fail-proof system to set you up for the next 3 years, and you really shouldn't go without it. I'd further advise entrepreneurs, startups thinking about doing this course to really open their mind to learning. You know, there's so much information out there that we've heard about and so forth, but repetition is the master of all skills. And just sometimes you got to hear it in a different way, from a different angle, in a logical system for it to sink in. And I can honestly say that is what's happened to me, being on this course with Peter. It's really been a foundation that I feel comfortable and confident going forward in my business with this.